Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Seven Italy Eliseo charcoal barbecue represents the perfect fusion of tradition and innovation in outdoor cooking. Made of painted steel with a gray textured and amaranth finish, it offers exceptional robustness. The structure, resistant to weather conditions and durable over time, is designed to harmoniously integrate into any outdoor environment, ensuring high performance in every situation. The double-layer lid, internally coated with aluminized sheet metal, is equipped with a professional thermometer, allowing precise control of the internal temperature. The side air vents, adjustable in various positions, and the tempered glass window offer constant monitoring of the cooking process, ensuring even heat distribution for perfect food cooking. The chrome-plated steel grill, food certified and with increased thickness, has 4 adjustable heights to suit different cooking needs. Additionally, the barbecue is equipped with an optimized workspace, including a lower shelf and foldable side shelves. The functional design is completed by a removable firebox and tray, for easy management of the charcoal and effortless cleaning. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.